Tired of random happy birthday flowers or just want that date gone from your profile forever? Well, you can't fully delete your birth date from Facebook's system. They keep it for verification, but you can completely hide it so no one else sees it. Let's lock it down. Open the Facebook app on your Android phone, tap your profile picture in the bottom right or top left depending on version. Go to your profile, tap Edit Profile or Edit Public Details. Scroll down and tap Edit Your About info. Scroll quite a bit and find Date of Birth option right on the Basic Info category. Tap the pencil or edit icon next to your birth date. You will see your birth date, separate lines for date of birth, month plus day, and birth year. Above or next to each one, tap the audience or privacy icon like globe, people, or locked. Choose only me from the drop down. Do this for both the date and the year. Tap done if it's there to tap. Tap done or save at the bottom. There you go, a little lock icon appears under your date of birth, meaning only you can see it now. No more birthday announcements or timeline reminders. There you go. Your birthday is now your little secret on Facebook. If this privacy win helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more 2026 Android Plus Facebook hacks. Stay private, stay safe. See you in the next one.